Vic here of V-Twin Now, and today we're taking a close look at a really cool product I think you guys are really gonna like. It's from a small company out of Southern California called BrakeMotoX, and this is the BrakeX brake arm. So here's the BrakeX brake arm, and basically this product allows you to fully customize the look of your brake arm. It's a direct replacement for your OEM Harley-Davidson brake arm, but as you can see, this part right here actually allows you to mount any sort of foot peg you'd like. All you do is slide it in right there, attach the hardware that comes with the brake arm, and you're good to go. As most of you guys are aware, the OEM brake arm is one piece. So it comes out like this, and then it has a flat piece of metal right here. And while there are a few companies that offer covers that match some of their foot control offerings, there's not a lot of them. And even with the covers, a lot of times, for instance, the Joker machine covers, their serrated line. If you have a chrome brake arm, you're still gonna see the chrome through here, unless you powder coat the whole arm. But having a product like this allows you to mount any foot peg just as you would as if you were attaching it to passenger pegs or anything like that. So you can really match your brake arm with the rest of your foot controls, and that to me, that's really cool. I haven't seen anything else like it on the market. The craftsmanship on this brake arm is second to none. It's made out of a very strong 70-75 billet aluminum, which is stronger than the 60-65 T6 billet aluminum. Most of your foot controls, your floorboards, your foot pegs, shifter pegs, those are typically made from the 60-65. The product is offered in two finishes. As you can see right here, this is the black anodized finish, but it's also offered in a highly polished finish, which looks really close to chrome. So because this is built to OEM specs, you can simply slide off your old brake arm and then install this new brake arm, and you won't have to adjust anything. The brake arm comes with all of the hardware you need to install whatever foot peg you're going to be installing. The brake arm fits 14 through 19 Harley-Davidson Touring models. They are working on a brake arm for the older Touring models. So what we're going to do now is we are going to show you what the OEM setup looks like. I mean, if you guys have a bagger, you guys kind of already know this, but we just want to show you a before and after. And that way you can see kind of the big difference here. And just kind of a sneak peek before we go there, we are going to be pairing this brake arm up with our Joker machine serrated foot peg. It's gonna look just like this. And then we are going to pair that up with the Joker machine serrated floorboards. So there you have it, the BrakeMotoX BrakeX brake arm. We definitely recommend you go out and pick up this product. We're gonna provide some links in the description below on where you can pick this bad boy up. But again, great product. I really think a lot of guys are gonna go out and pick this piece up, because there's really no other company that makes anything like this for the Harley-Davidson Touring models. So thanks for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and click on that notification bell. That way you can keep up with all the new videos we put up. And definitely make sure you check out vtwinnow.com for all the latest V-twin performance parts and accessory news. Thanks a lot.